Good afternoon, everybody. Happy Friday from Caddy Girl Garage. So I've got my purple gloves and it is time to get the wax off this front bumper. I'm going to get as much done as I can today, but I'm not going to rush it either because I really want to do a super job on detailing this. So we'll see how far I get today. But like I said, just mainly want to get all this wax off and want to see what we're dealing with. The bumper is absolutely beautiful. So that's what we're doing. Thanks for joining the video. So I've got my SOS pads here. Love these for cleaning chrome and stainless. I talk about them constantly, probably annoy you guys to death. And this stuff you can get at any hardware store. I just got it on Amazon, just steel wool pads. It does not scratch. It removes all kinds of rust and things off of chrome and stainless. So this is what we're going to be using today. Let's get started. So I'm just going to start with one end and work my way around. Start with my steel wool first. Oh yes, that is going to be gorgeous. This is removing everything nicely. I think you guys can see the difference right there. Yep, you can see it in the camera there. Trying to keep myself out of the camera and just the car. I'll put it on fast forward too here in a minute so you guys aren't just sitting and watching me just scrub. You guys can just watch the transformation. All right, so you guys can clearly see the difference. Look at those eyes versus these eyes. So we're gonna be here a while, but like I said, I'll put you guys on fast forward, and these came out absolutely beautiful. So I'm gonna put you guys on fast forward so I can continue, but I mean, again, just to know the extent of this. And you know, I can see where the older gentleman's point was coming from. You know, he was trying to protect and preserve the car, and hey, maybe it worked, because I mean, you know, as you can see, this is absolutely stunning. Not pitted, not anything like that, and I couldn't ask for better original chrome. But I mean, you see just the extent of like how much wax is built up absolutely everywhere. You know, all the paint underneath the bezels here, I'm gonna have to get my hand up under there because all the white stuff that you see, that is all wax. So like I said, we're gonna be here a while, but I cannot believe the transformation so far. All right, guys, I'm gonna put you on fast forward. Hang in there. Let's get this bumper cleaned up. So I know I'm taking my time on this. I'm probably gonna drive you guys crazy, but I'll just put it on fast forward. But here's the finished result. Of course, not dried yet. But this versus, you can see the cloudiness of this. You can see the difference between it versus that. Maybe the guy had something by using wax, because I mean, it certainly seemed to preserve it beautifully. I can't wait to dry this off and put some Lucas on it and see what it looks like in the end result with no water spots. Okay guys, so it's still dripping dry. I dried it the best that I could, but I think you guys can clearly see the difference. It is absolutely amazing. Have a little bit of pitting on the top right there. Like I said, it's still dripping water, as you guys can see. But I mean, it just, for original chrome, I've never seen any so nice. And then as for the grill, all the little bullets right there, those are real knuckle busters. So I actually got brushes that attach to a drill, like a drill bit, and it's obviously rotary, so I can put it in each of those, and I can't, or I should say, it won't hurt my hands, and it will clean out all the wax that is in the grill. So yes, I know I didn't do the grill right now, but that's because I'm going to use my little brushes, but I'm going to continue and finish the bumper first. So this is episode number 1 of bumper cleaning, and you guys can see how it came out. That side versus this side. All right, we'll be back another day, maybe tomorrow, with the other passenger side. I can't talk right now. Have a very blessed evening, everybody. Take care.